Boy, am I tired. Yeah. Welcome Blue Bike and Doors channel with another episode. Dickin around in the shed. I need to clean that up. So let's run that intro. Welcome back. So it's time to get out with the old and in with the new, right? I don't know. So I'll tell you how many miles I got on this tire. I probably could have got another. I mean, you can feel it cupping a little bit. Some of the tire wear marks, I mean, within a fingernail length, maybe right there. I don't know. So I probably could have went to VAM on it and back, and then changed it when I got back. And I was like, well, let's just go ahead and change it. Because it looks like a nail might have been in it too. I don't know. You can see it right there. I noticed this a couple of weeks ago. Get down here when you see. Right there, but it's not through. But it's a circle like you ran over something punchily, like a nail or something. But it's not through. So yeah, like I said, I keep this as a spare if I wanted to, but it is cupping. You can feel the sides of it. See the chicken strip on it right there. I mean, not too bad for a touring bike. So I'll show you how to put it on. I done took it off. This is my old one. So let's go get the new one. So I done got, like I said, I done took it apart. So we're going to put it back together. First thing I'm going to do is check my brakes. While I got them off, I can inspect them real good. So I'm going to do that. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. I might need to order me some. Those are pretty thin. I believe they'll be alright for another trip. But they are closed. I don't know. Yep, they are going to need changing. Most definitely. Yeah, buddy. We'll do that later in another episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. So, here's my other one. He marked it which way to go on the thing here. So he would remember. See, he put an X, you know, that on there. It'll be alright. So it goes this way. Yep. So when I put it on, I want it to roll this way. Correct. So I just roll it under there. Come on. There you go. Come on. There you go. It's in there. So let's lower the bike down so I can stick my spacers and everything in it. So take off your safety. Slowly lowering it down. Make sure I don't put nothing in the bind. You mean you could pick the tire up and then slide the thing in? I work smarter, not harder. You got a spacer here that you need to get in there. And stick the axle through. Like so. And then when you get on this side, you got the, and you see, what are you looking at? Alright, Still recording. You got a your speed sensor, ABS sensor, and it goes on. Yeah, it goes on. Lights on this. I don't make sure. Pretty sure it goes like that. Yeah. Because we didn't. We turn it around. That gotta go. Oh boy, I should have looked. Yeah, you gotta have 5 hands. Slide it back some. You can stick it. Come on.
Don't tell me I can't. There it goes. There you go. Yeah, I'm sure it goes that way. And your brain's through. There you go. That's right. I'm pretty sure that's right. If not, take it apart and we'll do it. Where's my boat? I've not lost my nut. Tighten that back on. And should be able to slide those out. Move those apart. Take your screwdriver and a rag so you don't mess your brake shoes up. So you can tie it down. So you can slide your calipers back on the wheel. Whew, need to get a cheer. Knees hurt. Whew, now my back's gonna hurt. So, let's get these boats started. I'll be told that one started easy. Put my brake calipers back
on. Repeat the process on this side. Got a text. I'll come back and torque them to German standards. Good and tight. So good and tight. Good and tight and the wheel won't fall off. You picked the fine time to leave me. Yep, I need to figure that. Screwdriver to fit in there. A good Phillips head fits in there. And we'll snug that good and tight. 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 Tighten your lock, axle lock, or whatever this nut's called it. Axle retaining bolt. Locking vice grip thingy, I don't know. But it's You guessed it. Good and tight. That goes there. That goes down there. Are you boat nut? Because you don't want to lose this one. This is the magical disappearing 10mm. That's your, put your boat, your brake calipers back on. Don't lose that. They are so hard to come by. That's the money. I'll put that back up too. Put your tools back where they go and you won't lose them. That's what my daddy always said. Come to find out, he's the one that was losing the tools. I used my dead blow hammer to get that boat started, to knock it back through, axle. Alright, that goes out of the way, that goes out of the way. I don't need one of... I got these lights in here that lights at the front wheel. That's what these are for. But I got these fancy axle covers that goes over this boat right here. And you take this little Allen hex head and you stick it back on there and you turn it. But you don't want to turn this one good and tight. Just snug it. It's tight because they so tiny thing, you'll strip them out. It don't take much. Just holding that on.
You on this side?
I mean, they are tiny. So they go to the bottom so you can't see them when you're looking. So it's a little out, see? That's good and tight. Good and okay. And then I used my little zip ties because I had to cut this one because it wouldn't let it tangle. I had it too close, I guess, but I like to hide my wires. So I'm gonna put these new zip ties right there. Oop, right there. And clip off the excess. And voila, we've changed the front tire on Lucille. She's got new shoes. I'm gonna check the back. I don't know. I should be able to. Let me give you the mileage. Yeah. Let's let Lucille. Well, let's go ahead. Mileage is 50,350. I'm gonna write this right here. The date is 22/7/11/34. 906. Carry 1. That's 9.
Makes that a 10. I think that's a 4. That becomes a 4 because you carry the 1 over there. That's a 3. You got to carry 1. That's 13. 9 minus 13 is 6. Right? No. It's too hot. 9. You borrowed that 1 from over there. Make that to 13. So that's be 4. Right? Carry your 1, 4, and 9 is 13. And then you borrowed that 0 and carried a 1 from there and make that a 4 to carry that to make that a 10. You might make that a 9 because you carried from it from here. So 9 and 4 is 5 and you won.
That sounds about right. 15,444. And I probably could have got another 1,000 out of it maybe. I was scared because we're going to the Tazewell Motor meetup next week. So yeah, well, not too bad. Well, there's that. It's hot in here. Before my camera has a heat stroke and me, and I still gotta go cut grass. I should have did. I thought, well, I'll go ahead and do this first, and we'll run it down there. If I gotta leave the tire, local indie shop, David Cycles. If you're ever in Bremen, on the way, check them out. Never need HD stuff work done. Super nice, super friendly, super fast. $30. Change your front tire. You know, if I took them the tire and wheel. Anyway, yeah, 15,000, a little over 15. Maybe I probably could have got another 1,000. So, like I just said, the camera's too hot. Check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and I appreciate it. And give me a thumbs up. And let's go ride while I still can. Ride the lawnmower.